Well, let's move down now and start on our first salad to go with our barbecue.
All my life, I can remember Aunt Peggy doing this at every meal when we would go over there occasionally on Sundays or just any time we ate together. Aunt Peggy would always do the two things that I love from her. I love her Italian dressing.
Oh,
you know what I'm talking about?
She makes the best.
The best in the world. And I love her tomato and cucumber salads that she used to do with a little bit of onion.
And listen, she does it every time. She and Paul, my cousin Paul, Peggy's youngest son, was just here for 4 or 5 days. And every meal that we ate, we've always got the onions and cucumbers.
Even breakfast, right? I mean,
well, no, that's the only meal. That's the only meal Aunt Peggy doesn't do this at. She said, Paula, do you know I make it every day of my life at home?
I believe that.
Yeah, she doesn't have a meal without it.
I believe it.
I said, well, maybe that's why you said dadgum pretty.
Well, I sure remember them from every meal.
Yes, and it's just dirt simple. Now, Bobby's over here cutting up a pint of cherry tomatoes. So I'm gonna do about a half an onion, Bobby. And I'm using a Vidalia onion, y'all.
Well, it's a great side, and it's a good way to get your vegetables in.
Well, you know, we've always got cucumbers. We've always got onions available, so.
I remember picking them as a kid.
Uh-huh.
Out behind the toy house, didn't we go back there and get cucumbers?
Yes, one year we had the most fabulous garden.
I remember cucumbers and potatoes and...
Yeah, now I'm gonna come in with a little salt, a little fresh ground pepper, and Bobby's gonna peel and slice 2 large cucumbers. You want me to help you, sonny boy? Sure. Don't you love cucumbers?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil and apple cider vinegar while Bobby chops up the 2 tablespoons of parsley we need. Y'all, down south, we think the simple life is so good. This is just an example.
Yeah.
You know?
This is just one, absolutely. Food doesn't have to be complicated. I've said it 1,000 times. In fact, I need for it to not be complicated.
Right. When you walk out your door, life is hard.
That's right.
When you walk back in your door from working, it should be easy, it should be simple, it should be humble. And you better not get no oil on my new shirt, Bobby Deen.
Golly, that's great. This is my kind of meal. It just brings me back because when we were, you know, growing up in Albany, it was not unusual for us to have barbecue chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely Aunt Peggy's, you know, cucumber and tomato salad. Only thing different is that warm pasta salad, which I really like.
And the lemon juice, Bobby, in the pasta salad.
Mm-hmm. You like it?
Mm-hmm. Look at that chicken, y'all.
Good to me.
Now you say it, now you don't.